Hello subscriber and watcher, today our topic is SQLite Database and the entire concept of SQLite will be divided into few parts. So I hope friend you will see all the parts for your understanding. And for explanation part of you I am taking this example. So what happen exactly, user will enter the detail in the form of name, hobby, roll number. Then user having some other option like add data. By using add data, user can insert the record. Then show data means user can view the information. Clear means by using clear button, whatever the information we enter that can be clear by using clear button. Update means user can change existing details. Suppose in place of Suraj, in place of hobby, you want suppose other detail, you want other name. Suppose in place of Suraj you want other name like Manu, then you can change it by clicking on update button. And finally remove means you can remove the existing record by using remove button. So all these things we will discuss in the coming tutorial. Now we will see theoretically SQLite database. So SQLite database, it is open source database. It means it is freely available for the programming point of view. And it perform operation like storing, removing, updating and viewing. And no need to install separately in Android Studio. It comes with Android Studio. And it is inbuilt with the Android devices. We don't need to install separate library for that. And after creating database, it will be located in this folder like data, package name and database folder. And we can create table according to our requirement. Whatever the information you want, whatever the query you want, that you can use it. So it is known as schema. And then you have to use SQLite Open Helper for creating and upgrading database. Next is SQLite database step. So in that first step is define constant for the table. Suppose you are creating table like that, which is having 3 columns. So ultimately you must have total 5 constant. One for database, second for table, and then remaining 3 for the column. Like we use here column 1, column 2 and column 3. So first one here it represents roll number, then name and hobby. So in this way you have to use the constant. And then next step is define query for creating database. So for that you have to use onCreate method. Then here you use execute SQL method. And you write the command like create table, table name. And then you have to pass data type also. So for roll number we need integer data type because it will store integer number like 1, 2, 3 like that. And it is our primary key, means we want each value should be unique. So you can treat as a primary key and auto increment. Then next one is name, means it store the character, so it is character text data type. Then third one is also text data type. So in this way you have to use onCreate method for creating table. Then next one is onUpgrade method. So it is used to open and upgrade or change your database. So for that again you have to use execute SQL method and you pass the command like drop table if exists plus table name. So it will help you to open your database. It will help you to open your table. So then you have to use onCreate method. So by using this coding, your database, your table will open. And then remaining steps are nothing but insert data in database, show data, update data and remove data. And if I tell each and everything right now in this presentation, then what happened? You will have a lot of confusion. So in the coming tutorial we will see how to create database, how to create table, then we will see how to insert data, how to view, how to update and how to remove the data from database. So all these things we will discuss in coming tutorial. So I hope friend you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to see the coming tutorial which is based on SQLite database. Thank you.